Hi, it's Noe with WTI, and are you ready to propagate? Well, now you can with this 3-tier propagation station from Hiuxume. I love that I can do 9 houseplants at one time. I could take a cutting and put them in these glass tubes. These tubes were very easy to fill up and place inside. I love this 3-tiered look. And I love how easy it was to assemble. I love the wood accents on them, which makes it very easy to go with any decor in any home. So if you're looking for a way to propagate and may not have enough room or counter space or even enough rooms with window light, now you can propagate 9 different plants in one space. I get compliments on this station all the time. I love this 3-tier propagation station, and I think you will too. So if you're looking for something that's aesthetically pleasing to the eye, fits in almost any space, won't take up any counter space, then this is a great place to start with this 3-tier propagation station. And that's my point of view.